we find that the first respondent is not a registered voter.
As soon as the verdict was delivered on the faith of Diana Kethi Kilonzo, in effect barring her from the Makueni senatorial by-election, her supporters, as it were, registered their discontent. And for some, it was too much to handle. And in Wote, in Makueni County,
Kethi apewe ruhusa ya kuomba kula, sisi tuchague yule tunataka. Wote wakuye Karoki, Alonimo, Kitundu na Kethi waingie kwa ndebe. Sisi tuchague yule tunataka.
Now, lawyers representing Kethi Kilonzo have indicated they will proceed to the High Court to appeal the decision of the IEBC Dispute Tribunal, arguing that the IEBC cannot arbitrate over a case that directly involves them.
The witnesses say that that slip had been stolen. So, it's either it was stolen by TNA Jubilee or given in conspiracy by the IEBC to TNA and Jubilee, or Kethi Kilonzo herself gave it to TNA and Jubilee.
Because you cannot be the accused in your own case and then the judge in your own case. They were an integral part of these proceedings. They were the respondent. So, you know, when your own documents come into question, how do you sit in judgment over your own processes when they're being questioned?
However, in an earlier ruling, the IEBC Dispute Tribunal had ruled that the committee's jurisdiction goes beyond hearing disputes between political parties. In preparation for the case, court luminary former Vice President Kalonzo Musyoka has now called upon all court supporters who were turned away because their names were not on the register in Ngong Forest Primary School, where Kethi Kilonzo is said to have registered, should turn up at the Wiper offices by midday tomorrow. The statement was sent through the former Vice President's aide, Dennis Kavisu. This even as lawyers representing the other parties in the case say they were satisfied with the ruling and that it now sets a precedence on the proper structure and system that should be followed during voting and the entire registration process.
What we as Kenyans should look at is not so much about Ms. Kethi Kilonzo. The issue was about setting the law straight.
The judgment, we can say, has laid and confirmed the registration of voters, how they should be registered.
Now, doubtless, the IEBC Dispute Tribunal ruling will continue to elicit reactions even in the coming days. It will be interesting to see what will happen now that Kethi Kilonzo's lawyers have said they will bring back the battle here at the High Court's sitting in Nairobi. Willis Raburu, Citizen Live at 9, Nairobi.